Ever wondered why people are so fascinated with gold? Why do they invest in it? This metal with its rich, lustrous hue has intrigued mankind for centuries. Its universal appeal transcends cultures and borders, holding a special place in many a heart and vault. From ancient civilizations to modern financial markets, gold's significance is undeniable. But what makes it such an attractive investment option? What's the allure that keeps investors coming back for more? Stick around as we delve into the world of gold investment. So, what exactly is gold investment? A good question indeed, and one that we're about to dive into. In the simplest of terms, gold investment is the act of buying gold with the expectation that its value will increase over time. It's a bit like planting a seed and waiting for it to grow. Only in this case, the seed you're planting is a shiny, precious metal that has held the fascination of humans for thousands of years. There are several forms of gold investment, each with its own unique appeal. Let's take a look at some of the most common ones. First up, we have gold bars. These are exactly what they sound like, big, heavy bars of gold. They're often purchased by large-scale investors and stored in secure vaults. For those of us who don't have a vault lying around, there are other options. Gold coins, for instance, are a popular choice. They're smaller, easier to store, and come in a variety of designs and sizes. Some investors even enjoy collecting them as a hobby. Then there's gold jewelry. While not the most conventional form of investment, it does have its perks. You can wear it, show it off, and if the need arises, sell it. And finally, we have gold certificates. These are documents that prove you own a certain amount of gold without having to physically hold it. It's a convenient option, especially for those who are concerned about storage and security. Now, you might be wondering, why invest in gold at all? Well, gold is seen as a safe haven asset. That means during times of economic uncertainty, its value tends to remain stable or even increase. It's a bit like having an insurance policy for your wealth, shielding it from the ups and downs of the market. In essence, gold investment is like buying a safety net for your financial future. It's a way of preserving your wealth, not just for yourself, but potentially for generations to come. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, it's worth considering gold as a part of your investment portfolio. Now, you might be wondering, why should I invest in gold? Think of gold as a timeless attraction. Its allure lies in its tangible nature. That is, it's a physical asset that you can hold in your hand. Unlike stocks or bonds, gold isn't just a piece of paper that represents ownership. It's a real tangible asset that has inherent value. This tangibility gives gold investors a sense of security that paper investments simply can't provide. Gold also has a long history as a store of wealth, dating back thousands of years. It's a commodity that's universally accepted and recognized for its value. And because it's not tied to any one country or government, gold is considered a global currency. This means that no matter what happens to the economy of one country, the value of gold remains relatively stable, which makes it an appealing investment choice. One of the greatest benefits of investing in gold is its ability to act as a hedge against inflation. In times when the cost of living is on the rise, the value of gold tends to increase. This is because as the value of paper currency decreases due to inflation, the relative value of gold increases. Therefore, investing in gold can help protect your wealth from the eroding effects of inflation. Moreover, gold has proven its stability in times of economic uncertainty. When the stock market is in turmoil, investors often turn to gold as a safe haven. This is because gold prices tend to move independently of stocks and bonds, providing a buffer against market volatility. But perhaps the most compelling aspect of gold is its enduring value. Unlike other commodities that can be used up, gold is forever. It doesn't corrode, decay, or degrade. Gold stands the test of time, making it a reliable and long-lasting investment. So when you put all these factors together, it becomes clear why gold is such a popular investment choice. It's tangible, it's stable, it's a hedge against inflation, and it has enduring value. Gold stands as a beacon of security in an often turbulent financial landscape. But how does gold stack up against other types of investments? That's a question that's probably been buzzing around in your mind. So let's take a minute or two to delve into that. When it comes to investing, there's a whole universe of options out there. stocks, bonds, real estate, you name it. Each of these has its own unique characteristics, benefits, and risks. But let's see how gold holds its ground amidst these investment heavyweights. First up, let's talk about stocks. Stocks can offer high returns, no doubt. But with high returns come high risks. They're volatile, influenced by a myriad of factors from company performance to global events. Gold, on the other hand, has historically been a stable store of value, not directly affected by the ups and downs of the stock market. Moving on to bonds, these are seen as safer than stocks, providing a steady stream of income. But in times of low interest rates, like we're seeing today, the returns on bonds can be less than appealing. Gold doesn't offer an income stream like bonds, but it can serve as a hedge against inflation, protecting your purchasing power when inflation rises. Now, real estate is another popular investment, offering both income and potential appreciation. But it comes with its own set of challenges, like high upfront costs, maintenance issues, and market fluctuations. Gold, being a liquid asset, offers flexibility. You can buy and sell gold with ease, without worrying about finding a buyer or dealing with property management. Lastly, let's not forget that gold has little to no correlation with other asset classes. This means that even when your stocks or real estate investments are taking a dip, your gold investment could still be shining brightly, offering a much-needed balance to your portfolio. While other investments zig and zag, gold maintains a steady course. So, when you're looking at your investment options, remember, a little glitter of gold might just be the stability your portfolio needs. But here's the million-dollar question: is gold investment safe? Well, let's be clear, no investment is completely without risk. It's always a matter of how much risk you're comfortable with. But if we're talking about relative safety, gold does have a few shiny advantages. First, gold has inherent value. Unlike stocks or bonds, it's a tangible asset. You can touch it, hold it, stash it away. Its value doesn't hinge on a company's performance or market trends. This physicality provides a safety net that other investments simply can't offer. Second, let's take a trip down memory lane. Gold's been valued since ancient times. Civilizations have risen and fallen, but gold's still here, still valued. Its historical performance is a testament to its enduring worth. While the price of gold can fluctuate, over the long term, it's proven to be a reliable store of value. Third, gold often thrives when other investments falter. It's seen as a safe haven during economic downturns. When stocks are plummeting, gold often shines brighter. This counter-cyclical nature can make it a valuable part of a diversified portfolio. So, while gold investment comes with its own set of risks, like any investment, it's historically been a steady hand in the unpredictable world of finance. Indeed, gold's glitter is not just superficial, it's a reflection of its enduring value. So, is gold investment worth it? You might be asking. Over the course of this video, we've delved into the ins and outs of gold investment, highlighting its allure, benefits, and safety. Let's circle back and summarize the key points we've covered. First off, we explored the concept of gold investment. We learned that it's not just about buying gold bars and stashing them in a safe. It's a strategic move that can diversify your investment portfolio, hedge against inflation, and even provide a safety net in times of economic instability. We then looked at the allure of gold. Its timeless appeal, its intrinsic value, and its universal acceptance make it an attractive asset. Unlike paper currency or digital assets, gold has a tangible value you can feel in your hands. It's been treasured for thousands of years and will likely be valued for thousands more. Next, we compared gold to other investments. While stocks, bonds, and real estate each have their merits, they also come with risks. Gold, on the other hand, maintains a steady value and is less susceptible to the whims of the market. It's a low-risk, stable investment that can provide a reliable return over time. Lastly, we addressed the question of safety. Investing in gold is considered safe because it's a finite resource with consistent demand. Its value doesn't depreciate over time, and it's not subject to the same volatility as other investments. Moreover, it's a tangible asset that can't be erased or devalued by a computer glitch or banking crisis. So to answer the golden question, is gold investment worth it? The evidence suggests a resounding yes. It's a solid, safe, and strategic investment that can provide stability and security for your financial future. In the end, gold is more than just a shiny metal. It's a solid investment for your future. Thanks for joining us. Until next time, keep investing wisely.